shooters, Cameron from Foresight Tactical. I'm standing in for Mike on today's review, joined as always by Ben from Straight Shooter. Today we're going to take a look at the new Savage A22R lever release rifle. It was designed by Savage exclusively for the Australian market in consultation with the Australian industry. The rifle comes in three varieties. There's a blue synthetic version, a stainless synthetic version, and a pro varmint version that has a heavier profile barrel and comes standard with the Boyd's stock. They also offer the rifle in three different chamberings, so the 22LR version that we have here, a 22 Magnum version, and a 17 HMR version.
So I'm just going to clear the weapon now, and then I'll run through how the action actually works. So you'll see here, first of all calibers come with a rotary 10 round magazine. No rounds in the chamber. I don't know whether you could hear that, but the action itself works on a ratchet system. And what that allows us to do is shoot a variety of different ammunition. So you see if I pull that back slowly, you'll be able to hear that ratchet system. Obviously with your higher velocity rounds, so we've got mini mags, velociter, some subsonics and some standard velocity ammunition here, all from CCI. The higher velocity stuff will obviously have more pressure and drive the bolt back a lot further, so it will be catching on the last few ratchets, and obviously if you're using subsonics or standard velocity stuff, it will be grabbing a lot further up. So it will allow you to shoot a wide variety of ammunition, so it's a really good feature. So the 22 comes in it works on a blowback system, a straight blowback system, and your 17 HMR and your 22 Magnum, they actually work on a delayed blowback system, just due to the increased pressure. This action itself is slicked up a bit, so I've done work on this in conjunction with cleavers, and this is a factory action and trigger. Straight out of the box, trigger pull on this was about 5.5 pounds, and on the one I've done the work on, the trigger's down to about 1.5 pounds. So it's a really nice trigger and still nice and safe.
Alright, so the blued and stainless versions of this firearm come standard with the synthetic stock you see in front of you. It is a nice, light, ergonomically designed stock, and it's pretty easy to shoot with. The Pro Varmint version, it comes with the Boyd's laminate stock as a standard feature. You can also buy aftermarket Boyd's laminate stocks, custom stocks, from Cleaver Firearms and the Barnett Oakey, in a bunch of different designs and styles. So this is the Forest Camo Pro Varmint version on the firearm at the rear here. In addition, our good friends at Modular Driven Technologies will be releasing one of their LSS rimfire chassis for this action in the very near future.
And just quickly on the barrel, so the barrels are a 20-inch hand straightened button rifled barrel, so we should be able to achieve some quite good accuracy from that, which we'll trial a bit later on. They're also available in both chrome moly and stainless, depending on the model you purchase. And they also come standard with your Weaver bases or Weaver rail, again depending on which model you purchase. That's basically the rifle in a nutshell. So we're going to head out now and test fire the rifle. We're going to use a variety of different ammunition. We're going to shoot paper and shoot a bit of steel as well, a bit of plinking, and see how it performs. Okay, so we've just shot all the CCI ammo that we've got there. So there's 4 different types. You see it's all shooting pretty well, so it's quite impressive really at 50 metres. The 2 best groups were with the mini mag, so both the solids and the hollow point. Okay, so we've done our groupings on paper. We're happy with that, happy with how it shoots. So now we're just going to smack a bit of steel and have a bit of fun. As you can see, it's got no cycling issues. It's a pretty fun little gun actually.
So in conclusion, the Savage A22R rifle. Great fun little gun. It's perfect if you're looking for something a bit different for plinking or small game varminting. Definitely something worth considering. The accuracy was what we would have expected in a rifle of this class, and we achieved some pretty good results across the board with the variety of ammunition we used. Also, the functioning was flawless. It worked well with every cartridge that we used today.
And that'd be, I guess, due to that ratchet system that we spoke about earlier. So just in closing, some points to note. It is a Category A rifle. They are available in 22 LR, 22 mag and 17 HMR. They come in a variety of different models, being the blued synthetic, the stainless synthetic and the pro varmint. So yeah, there you have it. The Savage A22R rimfire rifle. Thanks for watching.